Nurse, he's done it again. He's bought a brand new Vax appliance. This is my new, delivered today, Vax Spotless Go 1 power cordless. Not a gifted machine. I bought it because I have use, I think, for something like this, and this is what I think is the only machine on the market that offers the battery power and supposedly being quite good. So, let's get it out of the box. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? I suppose I could write this off as I did a Black Friday thing, because it was the Vax Black Friday email that alerted me to them in the first place. And here we have the machine itself, £149.99, although I have at this present time paid a third of that, which seems fairly reasonable. What is in the box? Well, we have the instruction pack and warranty information. And the next thing that we're going to do is register said warranty. Right, that won't work. I was hoping that by using the, serial number on the box, finding the machine on the very website that Vax send you to register your machine, not actually there. So we need to unbox it so I can look at the ratings plate on the machine. So we may as well do that. In here we have a bottle of multi-floor solution. 250 millilitres. We have two little brush inserts. These go into the tool on the machine. One of them is made of rubber. One of them is a nice stiff bristle. Also have a squeegee for hard floors and possibly drying windows if you suffer from condensation. Charger with a non-removable DC jack. Oh, the smallest of the small included in the kit, 2 amp hour battery. You cannot even buy a spare 2 amp hour. The smallest they do is 3 and they go up to a 4. But the 4 amp hour cost £90 and that is a lot of money, basically. Onto the machine itself. It's a nice, light, compact unit just from picking it up like that. Very nice. Now, we need to be very careful with it because I don't want it to break before we send it off for its warranty. So, tank release. Are you under there? No. You under there? No. Ah, here we go. That's what we actually need. Look, the CLCW MSKS whatever number. Let's see if the website finds that. I feel like such an idiot. Most of you will be saying that is not difficult. It's already registered. I just went onto my emails to find the proof of purchase to upload to the website and found 2 emails. So I have. This battery has its own 3-year guarantee. That is I think one of the highest, because Dyson only do their entire machines for 2, and the machine has its own separate 3-year warranty, so I'm very impressed. I don't have to do anything because I bought directly from Vax. All done. Here it is, we have ourselves the little hose. This is literally a spot cleaner. You hold it in one hand, you clean with the other. It is not meant for, and I say that ironically on this rug, this stupid rug. It's not to clean the whole rug, it is to spot clean. Because with my little friend, the birdie, we have little birdie pops, and that is the primary reason for purchasing this machine. Ooh, that's sprung loaded. There we go, that's sprung loaded. We'll slot the battery in, which is, in fact, we'll take the protective wrapping off first. Oh, the new ONEPWR. I really hope that Vax start to import the Hoover DIY type vacuum, because that would be amazing. We have 2 bars on the battery. That'll be enough for me just to do this little quick video. I want to use it before I give you my full thoughts of it, but that's not too bad. The suction I would put on par with the V11. It's certainly not a full-sized Vax, but that's the problem, you see. I've got the 6130SX, but I'm not getting that out just to clean up little Phoenix's droppings. In here we have the dirty water container. The float goes up there. None of this seems to be removable. Or is it? I need to read the manual. I won't tell you how to do it now. Then we have a little red thing there. And another one for something else. I don't know. But I don't think I'm going to need the manual to know that in here, because I've watched a couple of videos, we need to fill it up. So, I'm going to do that now quickly. We have the tank filled up with warm water. We shall open the bag that came with this, open the bottle. Oh, I hope that this isn't going to be a complete sod, because I don't actually have any. You find a close by pen and stab through the foam foil seal and pour it into there. It won't make a proper batch. One thing that I will say is that I bought another litre of solution for £10 and it has not arrived, but then again, knowing how the courier system works, this would have been banged out next day. The solution will just come, I would imagine, so I'm not too worried about that. And that goes in there. Just the other way. Oh, with a click as well. Not too bad. So, we have, thanks to Mr. Phoenix, he's probably going to fly off in a second, a handy little test bench there. Should be enough battery for this. Let's fit one of these, which seem to clip on like so. Not bad. It's not a swivel. Oh no, is it a swivel hose? Yes, it swivels on the machine end. That's good. So you can work the bend to your advantage. And there we go. Well, I suppose what we can do now is we can turn the motor off. Scrub. It is coming. And I can see on the camera this rug is a great example to show you because it has got a bit lighter. I think I need to catch it when it's fresh. That's the idea with this, you see. It can be charged always. It can sit like this. It can, oh, naughty little birdie. Get it up straight away. Not leave it for an hour because I didn't know he'd done it. Silly birdie. But hey, since we are on the rug that people hate, there is a stain. This is, I think, coffee. See if we can get it up. So here we go. This is probably the most honest test I can give you, because this has been here for ages. And quite frankly, I could borrow a carpet cleaner and get this rug clean, but it's such a horrible cheap rug anyway. I don't really care. It's easy just to catch the spills that happen. Let's see. The battery is on red, but it should last. What we'll do is we'll spray. We've got a nice decent spray on it. And then we'll turn it back off, rub it in. In fact, we could do a little, oh, it's gone. Tell you what, we'll scrub that in and, oh, ow, that's quite hard to take off. I bet 99% of people are going to fit this and not use it. Let's try it behind it and see what the difference is. That's a lot more violent. Yeah, okay, that's good. Right, let's get this cleaned up before the battery dies. I'll leave it there in case that does anything. Well, that's not surprising. This thing has a runtime of 15 minutes with its 2 amp hour battery, but I cannot deny that it has got the stain up. However, I also cannot deny that the water tank is empty, and yet we've done an entire half a tank of that. Oh, that's not great. I'm not gonna lie. The bit that we didn't get to clean feels about as, fuck, it feels drier than the bit that we did. Right, oh dear. And obviously that's nothing that charging the battery will fix, because lithium ion will work or not work. So I think what I'm going to do now is going to end this video. I'm going to put it on charge and I'm going to use it, because quite honestly, I reckon I'm paying for it in 3 instalments. I'm doing it on tick. Got the man from the catalogue coming round tomorrow for the 30 instalments. So I think I better bang a month's use out of it and see if I actually, if it's actually going to be any good. Because little Phoenix here can be toilet trained in time, but we're still at the stage of training him to not bite my finger off, aren't we, Puppet? Hello, you haven't met Phoenix. We'll get this video out straight away, folks. It's like nearly December now. And this is the reason that we have this. So yeah, hopefully when they're fresh, it's going to be alright. But we've lost a lot of solution, and well, we haven't picked any up. We'll see. It's on the stairs where he sits. I will come back in a while with an update video on how it is. It will be soon, because I've got probably only a month to decide if I want to keep it before I just give it back and think of something else. So until then, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and little Phoenix, who is hiding over there because he's camera shy. This is the first video I filmed with him. Bless. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.